Hello everybody, I'm Máirtín the Cógáin and I'm super excited to be part of the 10th annual Francis O'Neill Irish Arts Virtual Kids Camp. It's starting on July 27th, going until the 31st, and it's going to be brilliant. It's for you, for wherever you are in the world. Guilt-free screen time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chance to take a break, because right now, working with kids at home, you've done all the tricks you have. Let's all get together for the Irish Virtual Kids Camp out of Chicago. There's going to be whistle playing, didling, sean-nós dancing, body percussion. There's going to be bodhrán playing, myths and legends, arts and crafts, the whole shebang. And you could go from this to this. In about 4 days of learning. Well, almost. Not exactly, but you'll get the road to how to get there from one to the other. So we'll see you there. Wherever you are, I'll be here. I'm teaching bodhrán. And in the middle of the bodhrán classes, when blue smoke starts to come out of your ears, I'll be giving you a few myths and legends and great history of Ireland through the mythical characters that we have. So we'll see you there. July 27th to the 31st, the Francis O'Neill Irish Arts Virtual Kids Camp.